this is Bar Under the Stairs. I'm Sammy, and this is the channel where you can learn to bartend at home. Today we're going to make the Agave-oni, which is a Negroni with an agave spirit as the base. First, we're going to start off with 3/4 of an ounce of Sweet Vermouth. We use Koki here most of the time. It's a mid-level, affordable sweet vermouth that always tastes great in cocktails. Then we're going to use Aperol. The original recipe calls for Campari, but for this tequila, I feel like using Jaja, Blanco, and Aperol brings out a sweet grapefruit flavor that tastes amazing. So another 3/4 of an ounce. And then finally, same measurements, it's all equal parts. We're gonna use the Blanco Jaja Tequila, 3/4 of an ounce, in a mixing glass. Then we're gonna add some ice and stir. Break up some ice. And then go ahead and add a couple of Regan's orange bitters. About 2 dashes is fine if you like your drinks with a little extra seasoning. Add a couple more. Do some spins, about 30 to 40 spins until you feel your drink get a little cold on the outside of the mixing glass. Go ahead and take a rocks glass and then put a strainer on your mixing glass. Pour it out. Get a big rock, place it in the glass. Give it a stir or two. Grab a grapefruit. Take a peeler. Go ahead and take a nice big long peel. Go ahead and zest the grapefruit peel over the drink, adding some really nice bittersweet oils, and then stick that right in the glass. There you go. Let's see how it tastes. It tastes like a bitter creamsicle. You get the bitterness coming in at first, and then after that you get a smooth, creamy orange flavor with notes of grapefruit and beautiful agave. It is absolutely the simplest drink that you can make with tequila and have it taste this good. This is Bar Under the Stairs. I'm Sammy. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and let us know what you think of this drink if you make it at home.